This morning we went back to Cheshire to drop off the daughter. We've had a busy day. We went and got gas.
We've got to do that Christmas food shop,
which was manic because it was so bloody busy. It's about, I would say, 5 o'clock and we're at our park up
It's pretty.
next to the Manchester Ship Canal and also the Mersey. There's the van. Sun setting over there.
Although it is very cloudy.
And then you got the Mersey there.
Well, let's have a look at the map.
Yeah, there's a map here. Anybody think that Lucy rules the roost, but she doesn't?
So you're here. So we want to walk that way.
I'm not walking that far. My legs are hurting from yesterday.
Not the whole way, just a bit. This island's only little.
It's cold. It says winter, the chilly season.
We'll have Kingfisher returning to spend the winter with us. Check out the canal or along the edges of the salt marsh. Common buzzard that often sat out on posts. Flocks of long-tailed tit. Hopefully it's quiet here tonight.
Does sound like there's going to be a lot of road noise.
Probably.
But I don't think it'll be that bad. Puddle. Don't know whether you can actually see me now. It's quite dark. It's not even late, to be fair. It's just winter. What do you think of it?
It's pretty. I like this side better.
It's not one to put on rate this park up, is it?
No.
Oh, there's a little trail here. I don't want to fall.
Got some chocolate.
No, one more tea.
Then cake and custard afterwards. That's a yes to the cake and the custard.
It is.
Get in. And that makes me happy.
While Lucy's warming up the pasta, I'm going to do some editing for you guys.
Yay.
YouTube. I am tired today.
All these days recently have been really busy. Or they felt like they've been really, really busy.
Yeah, but that's good, isn't it?
Yeah, but it means when we go to bed but actually tired. We just want to actually go to sleep. We don't actually get time to just chill in bed.
What's strange is we've been going to bed quite early over the last couple of days. We've been going to bed about 9 o'clock.
Yeah, because we've been so tired. Haven't we?
Yeah.
It's been really busy days.
What would you define as busy days?
They've just felt really, really busy.
For dinner, we had bacon sandwiches.
Yeah, we had bacon butties for dinner. They were supposed to be for breakfast, but by the time we'd finished doing everything we needed to do, like taking the rubbish to the tip, getting gas, doing the Christmas food shop, it was dinner time, so we had it for dinner.
Then we had to upload our latest TikTok video, which was of the day in Scotland, which was pretty cool.
Yes, if you don't follow us on TikTok, make sure to give us a follow. It's OurLives_together1. Check it out. Got some cool videos.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for future videos.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Hope everyone's had an amazing day. We're in North Wales, near Conway, next to a reservoir, isn't it?
The plan was to go to a lake, but the lake was closed. It being Christmas Day and all. We remembered halfway there, so we pretty much just parked up on the side of the road now. It's been a mad day, spending it with family and opening presents.
But it's still been a good day. Now we're gonna have our amazing tea. It looks really good. We've got beef, mash, Yorkshire puddings, veg, roast potatoes and gravy. I'm very hungry.
Yeah, me too. Got nothing to eat.
Yum! Let's eat. We're in Wales, we just got up, it's Boxing Day. That sunrise is amazing. It looks so awesome. We're so happy. It's very windy and cold though. And now we're going to go back to Cheshire so we can go to work. I'll show you the view. It looks awesome. Good morning.
It's a fabulous day.
It is.
Cat. Probably can't see it.
Yeah, you can just about see it.
So, we've not recorded for the last couple of days because we've been busy. I don't really know what the plan is today. Lisa's spontaneity is kind of just got the phone out and just put me in front of the camera.
We're probably going to have to do dishes today. That's something that needs doing. Tidy up a little bit. Not much, no. Don't need to do much.
I do need to fill up the toilet because we've got no flush. So I might do that today.
Yeah.
But then, once we've done that, we'll be alright. Like, what time is it? It's 9:30.
We had a bit of a lie-in today.
Yeah, waiting for the tide to come in. Because I'm a boater, I have a boat app on my phone.
Oh, should we show it then?
Yes. When we're sailing, we have this app. And it tells us like the currents and stuff.
So we can go to where we are and we can see when the tide's coming in and out.
Yeah. Our boat's over there and like you see all the buoys and it just tells you like where all the rocks are and stuff. But then the true tide is at 5:26, so it's only coming in once a day. It's weird that we don't understand the tidal system of this river.
No, it is kind of strange, isn't it? Boat work content coming your way. Whoop whoop.
Well, it's not much boat work content, is it?
Yeah, because when we're doing the boat work, we're going to be filming it, so boat work content. We're going to get up. I'm making brews. I'm waiting for this. It's not doing the noise properly yet.
It makes like a harmonica noise, the kettle.
Like a whistle.
There you go, it's going to start making it now.
Slowly getting there. It's not doing it.
It's not doing it.
Oh. What are we doing, Dave?
We're on TikTok Live, guys!
Yep, and we're outside while we're on TikTok Live. We have finished our brews. There's the van.
If you look at it like everything's a problem, then it's a problem. But if it's not a problem, it's not a problem.
It's not a problem. Love you. We're watching TV. Very rarely we watch TV, but we're watching a little film. What film is it?
It's the St Bernard one. We're watching it on the iPad. It's nice and warm in here. We're going to do the dishes and then I've got to top up the toilet. Just general life, innit? General life. Because it's winter, we don't have water in the tanks, so we get our jerry cans and we fill the kettle up with the water and then
we boil the water in the kettle and we also add cold water to the sink as well.
And then we do the dishes.
We do.
It's like an old Victorian way of washing the dishes, but we don't mind. The water's ready. We're going to go and fill up the bit of the toilet that flushes the toilet. We do this, and we use this stuff too. Pink stuff.
So what's it called?
Aqua Rinse Concentrate.
Yeah.
We use this, and it makes the toilet smell nice. So when you're emptying it, it smells gorgeous.
It does.
Like Lucy Poo. So it's just in this compartment here.
So you put some of that in. And then you just fill some of it. Try not to spill it, but it doesn't matter if you do.
We're posh, we like our luxury.
We do.
We could have bought a compost toilet, but what's the point? I don't know how many litres it takes. I think it takes 10 litres. It normally lasts about a week. Yeah, so it's only just full. Just the same for the boat is bring out on 1,000.
Yeah.
No, it should be the same for this van. Maybe it is a boat.
Done.
It's cold. So what are we having for tea? Are we having the pasta for tea?
Presume so.
Pasta and sauce.
Yeah.
Is it my go?
Yeah. Why did I move that one? Oh, I remember. I remember why I did.
I'll let you know who wins. So who won that one then?
You. Of course you won. You win them all.
I do, unfortunately.
It's not unfortunate.
It is.
It's not, because I learn.
That's what she ended up with.
Just them two.
She was shocked.
Although I did manage to take 2 of your horses, which are good ones, and whatever that one is.
The bishop.
Yeah, and one of them.
Yeah.
And then 4 prawns.
I am the victorious. Loser, loser, loser.
It's okay. I'm learning. We're boiling water for the pasta. It's not boiling yet, but it will be. Yay.
Just a simple meal, pasta. You boil pasta, put the tomato sauce with peppers in it, and then it's done. We are cutting up some extra tomatoes
And onion.
and an onion and having a bit of coleslaw with it. Nice little cheap meal, innit?
Yeah, yummy.
I'll show you what it looks like. Yummy. I'm excited for my tea. And this is what the final product looks like, all dished up. There's a mix of pastas in that, so there's like the curly ones, the not so curly ones, and then the flat ones. Go on.
If it weren't for the tomatoes and the onion, it's rubbish. It's very plain.
Oh, that was beautiful. Oh, I well enjoyed that. For the first time, we're actually going to do the dishes after we've had tea. So we've got no dishes for tomorrow.
Which is good because we're at work tomorrow, which means we don't have, when we finish work, we don't have any chores to do.
It was a cold night last night. We didn't have the heating on because we thought it was going to be like 6 to 7 degrees, but turns out it was cold. I kept waking up a few times. It's weird sleeping next to Luce. Sleeping next to this one here. I woke up sweating.
That was me the night before.
And then 2 hours later, I woke up cold. So yeah, I'm just enjoying the view. Yeah, it's been raining all night as well. Lucy's making some toast in the grill on our last bit of gas, and we're using our camping stove, so we'll change the bottle over. Today's a work day.
Yeah, bit of a boring day, but we have to do it.
It's eventful, isn't it?
Where are we and what are we doing?
We are in Anglesey and we are next to the coast. It's windy, it's gusting 40 knots, and the wind apparently is constantly 31 knots.
The van is rocking.
It is.
Please don't come knocking.
Don't bother coming knocking. We've just been sat here, to be fair, for the last hour.
Talking about when we're going to Scotland.
Yeah, and like the chances of seeing orcas and stuff, and where, like, planning it and where we're gonna go, and what we're gonna do.
Yep.
And just, it's gonna be good. It's just gonna be 1 month of just pure chill and being next to the coast.
Yep.
It'll be like a little taste of boat life, but not quite, because we'll still be on land. But we're going to take the dinghy with us as well, with the outboard motor, so we can go out, which would be really nice. Might be still a little bit cold because it's Scotland.
This is a beautiful park up. We love it.
We have been here before.
It's quite windy, so I might not be able to sleep tonight.
It's supposed to die down about 9 o'clock tomorrow, so we'll be able to go out and do some actual filming, do some TikToks outside, which would be very nice.
Hopefully I'm not too ill in the morning, because I haven't got any sleep because of how windy it is. I always get scared that the van's gonna fall over sideways into the water. Beautiful. Dave's just put the kettle on. Yay!
I have indeed, I have. I need a coffee. We've not really done a lot, to be fair. What we talked about is orcas.
Yep.
Orcas in captivity. We've just been watching The View, because it's absolutely amazing.
We also were trying to do a little bit of work.
So the waves are so big. They are huge. Lucy's going to be making the brews. I just put the kettle on.
I got my cup. Dave thinks he might be able to spot a seal or a dolphin. So he's got one of his daughter's telescope toys, trying to see it with that.
Where'd you go? Where it is?
I see it.
Where? At the moment, what I'm looking at is the windy app, because we're right next to the ocean. Obviously it goes quite high. It means that the van can be uncomfortable because it'll be rocking, a bit like a boat in a swell, I guess. I'm just looking at the map to see like whereabouts the wind's coming from. So from now till 6, it's coming from straight ahead of us, but then from 6 till 9 it starts shifting over there. So it's contemplating how and where we park,
or if we move now or later. We're not sure what to do.
No, I would say that we move. What do you say?
I don't really know because I don't understand the wind and stuff, so I feel like whatever you say is best. I trust you and I trust your opinion. I just want to be comfy when
Me
we go
too.
to sleep.
I want a good night's
I'm not
kip.
bothered while I'm awake, but I want to make sure I'm comfy while we're asleep.
We are cooking breakfast. We are having a bacon, tomato, onion and cheese toasty this morning for our breakfast. There's the bacon. There's the beautiful missus.
I woke up like every hour or two because of the rockiness of the van. You slept like a baby though, didn't you?
I had a really good sleep. Like really good. It was so cute. So this is where the couches are.
Normally.
And we've made it into the bed because it's a little bit bigger and it's also a better view through that window. I've got the skylight open and the window's open because it's getting a bit moistury in here. You've got to be careful of that.
It's not so windy now, but it was It was quite windy last night, but it's calmed down now. It calmed down at about 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock.
The weather report did say that the wind is supposed to be much better today, so we're very thankful for that. How was your breakfast?
It's so good.
It is, isn't it?
There's bacon, onion, cheese, tomato on toast. Sort of. Toasted butty anyway. A woman walked past while she was walking home, riding the horse.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, isn't it?
It was a nice fluffy horse as well.
So the engine is running because we was charging your phone. My phone's over there on charge. Because we don't, the plugs, or the plug sockets don't work. Oh, I'll show you. These plug sockets don't work because we don't have, they only work when we're hooked up to the 240 hookup. So we need to get a solar panel and an inverter and a better battery. Pardon me.
And we don't stay on campsites, so we don't use the 240 hookup. So we want to change it over so it's all fully off grid. Because that's what we do.
We're living off grid anyway, because we don't hook up to the 240 hookup. We just charge everything with the battery sometimes. Or when I'm in work, I use the car. We have one of them compact inverters. That thing on the floor.
With the white thing.
Let's eat the last butty.
Yay!